We love our customers and we work incredibly hard to make them happy. So when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying. And it's no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.